Hi guys, it's Rob Lester here from Lester Bathrooms. Thank you for taking the time to check out our channel where we are all about bathrooms. Today we're all about this ensuite. This is a new job starting today. There's this ensuite to do and a bathroom down the corridor, and this has all got to go. This is all coming out and all being replaced. So we'll spend today gutting this out, which is quite good. I think being a bathroom fitter is quite mindful actually. You get out all your stresses and all your anger by smashing around a bathroom on the first day. So this has all got to go. There we go. Just a little video of what's coming out. So we'll spend the day ripping this out and then we can put it all back together and start fresh. Right, let's do it. Okay guys, quick word about the shower tray. You see it's on a huge platform. It must be about 8 inches, which is, you know, you guys know, probably about that big. And I thought we're gonna have terrible trouble. Saw stacks here. I thought we're gonna have a hell of a job trying to get this waste pipe subfloor, because we like to have our shower tray sat directly on the floor so we've got a lower profile as possible. But I've just seen this. There's our waste pipe. And down it goes into there. Fantastic. Okay guys, the rad is now off. We've got a thermostatic valve here. One thing I like to do with these thermostatic valves, because I don't trust them, especially if you're taking tiles off above, all they need to do is get knocked and water's gushing out there. So I tend to take a little 15mm flexible hose with a bit of pipe and a cap and just thread that on there like that, and just give it a small little pinch. There you go. So if that does turn on, you won't get any water coming out because they can be a little bit sensitive. There we go. Oh, and I found some money. Ha! Look at that. Wow, I'm gonna put that with the collection money found. It can go in the sausage roll pot. Time for a sandwich. Okay, we've had a bit of lunch, I'm a bit full. Might have been a donut involved, so let's get the rest of these tiles off. Let's go. Okay, that's all the sanitary wear out and the tiles off. Drop these lights down. They've all got to be changed for IP rated LEDs. At the moment, they are halogens. Why that was in a shower enclosure, I don't know, it's against building regs. But we'll change all that. We've got some making good to do on the walls where they've obviously, the walls are rendered and hasn't been primed before, but we'll deal with that, make that all good. We've got to take these pipes, drop them all subfloor. Shower's going to come out when I get into the loft because we've got to put a new enclosure up, so I'll deal with all that when I'm in the loft. Yeah, got a bit of black mould on the floor. They've obviously had an issue with the toilet, so we'll cut all that out and put some new stuff in there. Okay, that's everything out for today. Morning guys, just a little recap of where we are on this ensuite. We're a few days in, I think, and we've smartened up these walls. because the adhesive was a bit proud, so we've SBR'd all that and filled that with a nice bonding coat. We'll SBR that all over again before we start tiling. This area was all ply, so we've taken that out. We'll rebuild that with all aquaboard. The base units are all carcassed out, ready to go. I've got to fit the frame in for the wall hung toilet. Overboarded all this section because that was all old chipboard, we don't want that. And yeah, we're cracking on. We've got a couple of must-haves on the go. We've got our coffee, classic FM, obviously 2 morning standards. And yeah, we'll check in again when we're a bit further. We're going to work on this tray today, get the waste pipe in that's moving, going down into there. We'll build that section in today and get all that membrane waterproofed, and yeah, we are marching on, people. Let's keep going. Okay then, a little recap on the ensuite. So, waterproof membrane, the shower area. The tray is in. Oh, I should say there's a link to how to waterproof membrane a shower area, bing, and a link to a new video I've done for how to install a shower tray. And it's a bit of a better environment than the last video, it was a bit cramped, so bing, that's where that one is. You've seen all the base units, so that's what I've been doing today. The floor is all overboarded now with hardy backer board. My go-to substrate, which I like to use on every job. It's just no nonsense, it just stops any movement, not only horizontally but vertically as well. Love it. Tomorrow I'll scribe and cut in the worktop, or SBR all the walls, or the other way around. Do the walls first, then put the worktop in, and then we can start tiling, and then it will start to look like a bathroom. So that's where we are. Okay, I'll check in at the next stage. Okay then guys, we're all done on this latest ensuite, so let's take a little look at the final product. In we go. Nice, light, airy, spacious. We've got our bank of units across there with a nice wall hung toilet, little toilet roll hidden in there. Nice solid worktop and all our soft close units. That's great. Really nice sort of natural stone effect tile. We've got our, with matching floor tile as well. Wall hung 2-drawer rocker basin. Lovely, all soft close. There we go. Nice inline slim basin on there. Got our nice illuminated Hib mirror. And then we have, over here we've got our heated towel rail, a tall column radiator, and our nice shower enclosure in the corner with a bifold door. That works really well. 900 by 900 low profile tray. Cool. And our nice Aqualesia quartz coming from the ceiling. Lovely. All new lights. All painted ceiling. A nice sort of matte chrome finish edging trim that goes really neatly with the tiles. So yeah, all sealed around the floor line as standard. So that's been a good one. Obviously a new inline extractor fan to take anything away from the shower. So there we go. That's everything done and we're out of here. So we're doing the bathroom down the corridor. So I'll put a little video to link to that. I haven't done a before and after because I forgot, because I've been busy. So I hope you've enjoyed that makeover, guys. Plenty of how-to videos and other makeover videos on the channel. So if you can give us a subscribe and like, that would be just lovely. We'll catch you on the next video. Thank you ever so much for watching. See you next one. Bye bye.